While living in a country like this, where the culture of patriarchy is so deeply ingrained into the fabric of the society, how does one deal with it?
Hi everyone, my name is Nikhila.
And my name is Rajveer, and welcome to the Zenji podcast.
So, is it okay if I use a Bhagavad Gita reference over here?
Yeah, definitely.
So there is this episode in Gita where, Arjun says that Krishna, I'm done. I have seen the human mind. I have seen human beings, and there is so much of Kam, Krodh, Lobh, and Moh, Maya, so much of vices that, मतलब all this prosperity, wealth, सब कुछ worthless लग रहा है because it has so much of greed into this. I want to give up this संसार. मुझे ये संसार वंसार कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे मोह माया नहीं चाहिए. I want to go to the Himalayas. I want to meditate and I want to live a peaceful life. The main point in that Adhyaya that Shri Krishna says is that I made this world, I made this universe, I made this planet Earth, I made this sansar, this srishti. Now all my good ones are picking up their weapons, throwing it in the garbage and going and living in the Himalayas saying बहुत बुरी दुनिया है, बहुत बुरी दुनिया है ना? तो who's going to do the job? Who's going to take care of the helpless? Who's going to take care of people? तुम लोग मेरे हाथ पैर हो. How do I exist on the planet? You all are my manifestations. Right? If you only say मैं नहीं लड़ेगा तो कौन लड़ेगा? Being a kshatriya, being a warrior, being a king, being a responsible king who is in charge of his subjects' well-being. The well-being of people, peace, prosperity of this land. You are responsible. You are accountable for this. You will behave like this. Then how can you call it dharma? That's adharma. Okay? We are sitting on these, in this chair, having this privileged platform. है ना? हम इधर बैठ के हमारा privileges enjoy कर रहे हैं wherein there is someone out there suffering. We as क्या बोलते हैं metropolitan citizens, we have to get out of our comfort zone, go out there and educate men and women about this. Right? It is important that especially if you are into any kind of government service, then you have a great opportunity to do that. चलो मैं समझती हूँ कि हमारा काम काज है, इतना टाइम हम नहीं डेडिकेट कर सकते हैं. इवन इफ यू हेल्प योर मेड्स, अगर तुम्हारी मेड इफ शी इज गोइंग थ्रू एनी काइंड ऑफ डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस or if she is going through any kind of crisis, even if you help that much, whatever help you can spread around, even if you do that much, I think we are good to go, right?
Yeah, if everyone starts doing that, then the world would be
little, very little.
It's that little, if everyone does it, it's a lot.
There will be a hometown. You will have your village. You will have your hometown. 15 days, 20 days. You must be going out there, to visit someone, visit your friends, family. वहाँ पर भी आप अगर अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करो regarding women's safety or what all things can be done, and you will be surprised, but not all villagers think like this, not all people from small cities think like this. In fact, I've seen much more progressive thinking in tier 2 cities as compared to tier 1 cities.
Definitely.
They are breaking out of this thought process that we need a boy. They are actually happy to have a girl because they understand that the girl will do much more for the family and will be more emotionally connected with the family as opposed to the cat, as opposed to the guy. Yeah, so ये अभी सोच बदल रही है, I really feel. But if you want to do whatever you can do in your small capacity, you can. No, you can donate to NGO or you can give half an hour or 1 hour to an NGO who empowers women or who empowers victims. That's, I think, good enough.